The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in coordination with the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, has established extensive drone restrictions for Super Bowl 60 on February 8, 2026, at Levi Stadium in Santa Clara, California, following a request from the Department of Homeland Security. The multi-layered approach includes no drone zones at multiple San Francisco venues during the week preceding the game, with FBI personnel deploying specialized detection and mitigation capabilities. Multi-day San Francisco drone restrictions. Beginning February 3rd, UAS operations will be prohibited around key San Francisco venues including Moscone Center, the Pearl, the Ferry Building, and Grace Cathedral. These locations will be restricted within a 2 nautical mile (nm) radius extending to 2,000 feet altitude from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. PST on February 3rd-4. On February 5th-7, restrictions expand to 8 a.m. through 1 a.m. the following day. Additional drone restrictions at the Palace of Fine Arts on February 5th establish a 1 nm radius up to 1,000 feet from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Levi's Stadium Game Day Drone Restrictions. At Levi's Stadium, 372422N1215839W, drone restrictions begin February 8th, with a 2 nm exclusion zone extending to 2,000 feet from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. PST. During game time, 2:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., restrictions expand dramatically to 30 nm radius extending up to 18,000 feet. Post-game restrictions maintain a 2 nm radius to 2,000 feet from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. FBI enforcement and detection capabilities. The FBI is working with the FAA to enforce the temporary flight restrictions, TFRs, using federally authorized capabilities to detect, track, and assess unauthorized drone activity. Personnel from both agencies will be deployed full-time to identify drone activity that could threaten aviation safety, critical infrastructure, or public safety at and around event venues. The FBI is legally authorized to use specialized mitigation tools to address unauthorized drone flights and may take action to move aircraft out of restricted airspace while preserving evidence for potential enforcement action. Penalties and authorization process. Drone operators who enter restricted airspace without authorization may face fines of up to $75,000, drone confiscation, and federal criminal charges. UAS operators who do not comply with applicable airspace restrictions are warned that pursuant to 10 U.S.C. Section 130I and 6 U.S.C. Section 124N, the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, Department of Justice, DOJ, and the Department of Defense, DoD, may take security action that results in the interference, disruption, seizure, damaging, or destruction of unmanned aircraft deemed to pose a credible safety or security threat, according to the FAA advisory. Pre-approved UAS operations may be authorized through the FAA System Operations Support Center at 20226782776, with operators expecting minimum 24-hour disposition times. Authorized operations must support active national defense, homeland security, law enforcement, firefighting, search and rescue, or disaster response missions while complying with all applicable federal aviation regulations. More information is available from the FAA's website.